Guys, this is a 2025 Buell Super Cruiser going into production in the next 365 days of next year. If you want to get your deposit in one now, there's over 6,000 units on deposit. Give us a call at 860-454-7024. 186 horsepower, under 420 pounds, world-class suspension, brakes, ergonomics. This bike sets a new category. It's a super bike wrapped in a super cruiser style, so it's comfortable. You're not all bent over like they are on a bike like this. It has the same engine as a super bike, but it sounds like a hot rod Harley. It's an absolute monster of a machine. Sets a new category. I'm going to be dropping some videos of us riding this at a high rate of speed soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. God bless Buell, Roland Sands, and Bill Melvin for putting this world-class machine out to the public here. It's a bike that should be $65,000 bike. It's custom built, handmade, hand painted right here in the U.S., and they're going to be selling for 25 grand. It's a no-brainer. Get your deposit on one soon. Thanks for watching, and as always, God bless United States of America.